Hey, this will be a video chart on CWRN. Been getting many requests for this one and just been busy, but now I am finally getting around to be able to do it. A very nice day today once again, and the bulls really came to life here, as you can see by looking at the volume, and more importantly, you had bullish correlating price action. Nothing worse than seeing a big volume like this come in and then you see the price either going sideways or worse yet down. That was not the case today, so that was a very nice victory for the CWRN bulls. So what I want to do is just go over a basic breakdown of the chart, map out some support resistances, and that way everybody's got an idea what to look for. So the first place we'll start off before we go on our hunt for resistance levels is we'll just knock out the supports. There's two right now that are sticking out in my mind. The first one is this previous high here. This was a pretty big level to get above, so the bulls really did make a nice move today. This level was here at 0.0063, previous resistance, but now it was closed above, so it's become a support level. I'm just going to leave this line skinny because what I'm going to do here is make a support zone rather than just stick one support level out there. So the bottom of this zone is going to be right here. Good job if you guessed that. That is at 0.0058. So the support zone is going to be between 0.0058 and right here 0.0063. I do this just kind of for argument's sake. You could say either one of these are supports. They both are, so sometimes it's just easier to make a little zone. So it could come down here and say anywhere within that, and as long as it does, the chart's going to remain very solid. If it does fall out of it, is that the end of the world? No, it's not, because you still do have your moving averages below you, both the 10-day here and the 20-day. So if this support zone were to fall, you still do have these two support levels. But if you were to ask me what would be the best way for the chart to look, I would say for it to maintain above these levels, but it's not required. But that would make the chart and keep it looking the prettiest. Now for the fun stuff, let's go on our hunt for the next support or resistance level. And got to squeeze it up some more here. There we go. Maybe we hit it today, I'm not sure, but we have a high right there, and it looks like the price got above it for a short time today. This level is at 0.0071, and today's high was at 0.0072. So it just creeped its head a little bit above it before getting knocked back down. I'm going to make this extra thick because this level is going to be a very crucial one. But as you can see, this comes all the way from back here many months ago. But this 0.0071, basically the James Bond level up here at 007, is going to be the next key level of resistance. And what I just noticed for a quick chart lesson, check out the big move here, and then it pulled back, and look right where it pulled back to, the good old 200-day SIP moving average. So for those of you that don't follow moving averages like the 200-day and 50, you're missing out on pullback moves like this. This was a great risk versus reward entry, and for the people that did decide to nibble on some shares down here, they were rewarded very nicely. But just a quick little example there of how you should always be paying attention to your moving averages. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free newsletter, or a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and give it a try. One more time, this was CWRN. Thanks for listening.